In the maritime field, corrosion resistance of metal components is highly valued. Hello, I'm from Sunrise Metal. Today, I'll talk about the corrosion resistance of aluminum alloy die-cast parts in maritime applications. Why metal components in the maritime sector are prone to corrosion. In maritime settings, metal components endure harsh marine environments long-term, under the combined effects of high-salinity seawater, humidity fluctuations, oxygen, pollutants, and marine organisms. Metal components are prone to corrosion, impacting their lifespan and safety. Therefore, choosing aluminum alloy die-cast products with excellent corrosion resistance is crucial. It can extend equipment lifespan and ensure maritime safety. How can the corrosion resistance of a product be enhanced? In aluminum alloy die-casting production, surface treatment is the most effective way to enhance corrosion resistance. What are the common surface treatment methods? Sandblasting. It involves using high-speed flowing sand particles to remove surface oxides, dirt, and irregularities from aluminum alloy surfaces, thus increasing surface roughness and enhancing adhesion for coatings. It is commonly used for external components or equipment housings in the maritime industry. Powder coating. It involves electrostatically spraying powder coating onto the surface of a product, forming a durable coating through curing at high temperatures. This method is commonly used for surface decoration and protection of ship components, offering excellent corrosion resistance and aesthetics. Liquid painting. It forms a durable coating by applying paint to the product's surface and baking it at high temperatures. This method enhances the product's corrosion resistance, increases gloss, and offers a variety of colors, suitable for maritime applications with high aesthetic standards. The above surface treatment methods are also services we can provide at Sunrise Metal. We are committed to providing high-quality, durable aluminum alloy die-casting products for the maritime industry, meeting all customer needs. Today, we'll conclude our sharing here. If you have any questions about aluminum alloy die-casting, please comment below or email us.